Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I'm back to share with you what I received from Miss June Lanum, and she's here on YouTube. She does not do videos, and she's also on Instagram, but she only shares once in a while. But she is always watching our lives, and she wanted to contribute a gift to my birthday challenge giveaway. And in one box, she said she sent it all in one box. And she said I could choose whichever items I wanted to keep and what I wanted to contribute to the gift as part of the prizes. So this is what I kept out of Miss June's box that she had given to me. So here we go. She had 2 of the 4 1/4 inch stamp blocks, the acrylic blocks. So I kept one and I gifted one. She also had 2 of the 2 1/2 inch acrylic block. So like I said, I kept one and I gifted one. So that will go in my stash. I kept several of the dies because they were new to me. So I figured, let me go ahead and try this. This is brand new. It cuts and embosses, and it is a nativity, if you guys can see. And it's away in a manger, and it creates this little scene right here. Brand new, never been opened, so I'm eager to try this one out for Christmas. Like I said, also she also gifted some flowers, so I kept the ones that were doubles, and that goes into my stash. Okay. I've shared the other rub-ons, and this is also a Christmas rub-on, same as the other one, but different foil colors and different sentiments, and there are 6 sheets in this pack of the same. Okay, so that's what I kept. And then I did keep one of the stamp and dies. Actually, I take it back. 1, 2, 3. There's a few, but this one is the one I kept. This is the Floral Blessings, and this one says birthday wishes, and it has a floral heart and several flowers, extra flowers, so you can add layers. And here are the dies for the flowers and also for the heart right here. So that would be fun to play with. She also had some dies, and these are doily dies, and oh my gosh, you guys don't even know how much I've been loving the doily dies. So yeah, these are for me. So I kept the doily, and it looks like this. I'm in love with this. This is from Tonic Studio. I don't think she's ever used it also. And then here is another one, and this is also Tonic Studio, and this is the, what they call this one, anyway, I don't know what this one's called, but anyway, that's what it looks like. Staying with the dies, I did sample this one prior to coming on here and making this video because I was so curious as to what this was going to look like. And you guys all probably know better than me, but that's what it looks like. I put it together, not perfect to see, but there's just layers on each other, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of dies and 2 stamps. So that's what this one looks like, and I'm keeping that. And this one I have not played with, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4 also. 1, 2, 3, 4 dies here also. And this one is the birthday butterflies, and the other one is Elegance Frame. So the Elegance Frame says, what does it say? Have a beautiful birthday, and then this one says get well soon. And the one that I sampled says sending birthday wishes, and this one says today is all about you. I kept those 2. This is another die. It's a 6x6, and it is a birch forest. So I am so excited to play with these, and I will thank you so much, Miss June. This one is gorgeous. It's just Snowflake Winter Wonderland, and this is by Sarah Davies. And I kept this one because I am playing with some Frozen Disney Collection paper pads, so I thought this would be perfect. So thank you, Miss June. And there, it's an embossing folder. So this one is also an embossing folder, and it's also by Sarah Davies. And I love the flourishes on this. Never used embossing folder, so that's what I want to try out. And here are the doubles of those paper pads that I also included with the giveaway. So it's just duplicates, and I kept one of each for me also. These are the Brad collection. So this one is the pink and brown set, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different styles of brads, and you have ribbons and flowers and buttons. This one also I kept, so I'm thinking I might be gifting this. I don't know. I just know that this is something that, you know, I want to share again. So one for me, one for the giveaway, and one for a gift. And they're all new. They're not open. So there's that. And then I'm going to split this one. These are gift bags. And look at this blue one right here. I'm going to open it up and separate them so we can divide it up and share it with the giveaway. And this one has the purples with the moon and the stars. Very, very pretty. So that is what I have from Miss June. And I want to thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you all on the next one. Please give this video a thumbs up and go out and thank Miss June for me, because she does not have a YouTube, I mean, she doesn't post YouTube videos, but she does have a channel, and she does have an Instagram, and I'll link them both below, and you guys can go and give her a nice little crafty shout out, because all of these wonderful gifts, it's just amazing. She's just been overwhelming me. This is the second time she's gifted to me. So much love, so much product that I could share and put to good use also. So thank you all again for watching, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.